Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here, and today I'm going to be cooking up a really delicious and tasty party food or a light snack. Cheesy bacon muffins. It even sounds great, doesn't it? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit that button. I've got hundreds of recipes. I'm sure there must be one in there somewhere that you would like. So let's waste any more time. Let's get on with this recipe.
We're going to need 2 teaspoons full of baking powder, 25 grams of cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 300 grams of plain flour, 300 millilitres of milk, 50 grams of butter, 2 or 3 rashers of streaky bacon chopped, 1 beaten egg, 100 grams of grated cheddar cheese, and 1 very large spring onion. Now, to make a start, I'm going to cut the bacon into very small pieces like this. And then when that's all done, we can pop it into a frying pan. I've got a little bit of butter and a little bit of oil in there. In that goes. We're going to give that a quick stir and let that cook down for a while. While it's cooking down, we're going to shred the spring onion. We're not really shred it, we're just going to cut it up into little pieces, fairly finely like this. And we're also going to use the green part of the onion too. I mean, you don't want to waste this. It adds a nice little bit of colour, and of course the taste is there as well. So when this is done, it can join the bacon in the pan. We're going to let this cook down or sweat down just for a little bit till the bacon gets a little bit golden and the onions nice and soft, bit like this. Then we can take the pan off the heat, put the onions and bacon to one side, put the pan back on, turning the gas off. Then we can add our butter. Leave that just to melt down in the gentle heat of the frying pan. Then we can crack on with the rest. So we're going to sift the flour and baking powder into quite a large pan. This will add a bit of air in and allow our muffins to puff up a bit when they're being cooked. Then we can add the rest of our dry ingredients. That would be the cornmeal, salt and sugar. And then of course we're going to put our cooked bacon and onion back in. Grate our strong cheddar cheese, and then we can add that to the mix. So in that goes. Mix it all together, get all those flavours really incorporated. Starting to look really good already, guys, isn't it? So in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our milk, our egg, and of course our melted butter. Then of course this can be added to our dry mixture. We're going to mix this all together, but beware, don't over mix this, otherwise it won't cook properly and it will be quite sticky. So when that's done, we can put it all into our little pastry cases, nice and evenly. Don't rush it, it's worth taking your time. We finish this off with a little topping of cheddar cheese, and then it's off to the oven. Gas mark 6 for 20 minutes. Until they're really risen and look so tasty. Just like this, so delicious, so crispy and brown on the top. Can't wait to have a taste. You going to join me?